Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing free 100% non-repaint Forex trading system for you. This indicator is a simple non-repaint and 4 indicator for day trading and swing strategies. Draws on the chart buy and sell arrows. Overall, this indicator is a simple tool that can be used to help traders identify trends in the market and make informed trading decisions based on those trends. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. You are seeing a channel of 8 lines on the chart. So the 2 lines of aqua color in the middle have a sell zone above the top aqua color line and a buy zone below the bottom aqua color line. So when the sell arrow signal is received above the upper aqua line, then only sell trade is to be taken, and when the buy arrow signal is received below the lower aqua line, only then the buy trade is to be taken. Don't take buy trade above the upper aqua color line and don't take sell trade below the lower aqua color line. Day traders and swing traders use the indicator to make short-term trades based on the current trend. You have to place stop loss at the previous high-low and take profit will be 1:1 risk-reward ratio. This indicator system best work on all time frame. Avoid trading during news release time. This system best trading time around the clock. The system best works on Forex, indices, stocks, and crypto. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter, we are going to take live backtest, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. Please visit my Telegram channel, for free download this non-repaint Forex trading system, link given below in the video description. guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.